All right, we have covered so much ground together, haven't we? We've talked about the amazing potential of generative AI, but also the really critical responsibilities that come with it. So now, in this final wrap up, we're going to bring it all together. This is where we connect all the dots and make sure everything you've learned really sticks.
You've done the work, you've gone from the very basics all the way to the big, tricky ethical questions. So let's do this. Let's take a look back at the key takeaways from our whole journey and lock in all that knowledge. Our journey kicked off with what's probably the most exciting hands-on application, using AI as a kind of creative sidekick. We dove right into how these tools can give a massive boost to your organization's voice and its ability to connect with your community. We saw firsthand how AI can just shatter writer's block, right? It can whip up first drafts for everything from those really important, heartfelt donor emails to a bunch of catchy social media posts. And that saves you so much time and energy. Energy you can then pour right back into your actual mission. And this recap here reminds us of a huge lesson. Getting great results from AI isn't some kind of magic. It's all about giving it super clear, detailed instructions. Remember this prompt for Instagram? We told it the exact length, the topic, the tone, and the goal. It's the perfect recipe for getting something genuinely useful back. But it wasn't just about talking to the outside world. We also saw how AI can be a total powerhouse for your internal operations. Things like drafting volunteer training guides, creating event schedules, and even whipping up flyers. It really helps streamline all that admin work that, let's be honest, is essential for keeping the lights on. And this prompt for a fundraiser, wow, this just shows how incredibly powerful AI can be for really complex planning. We learned that you could ask for a complete, detailed plan that covers every little thing, from setting up the venue to the final cleanup. This proved that AI isn't just for writing pretty words. It's a tool for structured, practical, get-it-done planning. Okay, so from there, we made a really important shift. We went from talking about all the cool things you can do to the critical ways you must do them. We moved right into the principles for using these tools safely and ethically, which you could argue was the most important part of this whole tutorial. We started with the absolute bedrock of digital safety, just understanding what personally identifiable information, or PII, actually is. We defined it as any piece of data that you could trace back to a specific human being. And protecting this info is everything, right? It's how you maintain the trust of your donors, your volunteers, and the very community you're there to serve. And this led us to the one single golden rule we came back to again and again. It's this: never, ever, ever input PII into a public generative AI tool. We learned how these platforms can use your data for training, which creates a huge privacy risk. This was our absolute non-negotiable rule for using AI safely. We also got proactive. We looked at this whole ecosystem of data brokers out there who collect and sell personal info. We walked through the 4 key steps to protect your staff and supporters. Find the brokers, search for your info, tell them to remove it, and then check back every few months to make sure it stays gone. It's just a vital piece of digital hygiene. And finally, on this topic, we drew some very clear ethical lines in the sand. We summed up when you just should not use AI. When there's a crisis, you need real human empathy. For legal advice, you need a real lawyer. For personal stories, you need 100% authenticity. And for those big strategic decisions, well, that requires human wisdom. Period. So with a really solid grip on both the power of AI and its pitfalls, we moved into our final chapter: how to turn all this knowledge into actual practice. This was where we built your roadmap for moving forward responsibly and effectively. And here it is, that 6-step action plan we put together to get you started. The big takeaway here was to start small. Just pick one task, try out a simple tool, and then immediately create clear guidelines for your team, especially around that golden rule of PII. After that, it's all about training, auditing your data, and seeing what kind of impact you're making. This is your blueprint. So after all of that, after the creative tools, the safety roles, the action plans, we ended with what is truly the single most important message of all. What's the ultimate takeaway from this whole thing? It's simply this: AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, but it is not a replacement for the human connection, the passion, and the purpose that is the heart of your mission. Use these tools wisely, use them ethically, and always make sure they are in service of the community you are there to help. The goal was never to automate your mission, but to amplify it. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey.